I'm Kelly Warner. Getting kids to do chores is one of the most common arguments within families, but giving your child chores may be one of the most important things you can do to help them learn responsibility and important life skills, and it can start at a young age.
Squeeze it and listen to your heart now. You ready?
As a pediatrician and a mom, Dr. Pilar Bradshaw discusses all kinds of issues with parents in her practice, including what age is appropriate for children to start doing household chores.
I think it's great for kids as young as about age 3 to have as many daily little chores as they are years old. So a 4-year-old would have 4 little chores.
Age-appropriate chores help instill good habits. They help children build self-reliance, confidence, and a positive work ethic starting as young as preschool.
So for example, a 3-year-old might pick up toys, help put their clothes away, or clear the table of their plate. But a 7-year-old will have increased responsibility like helping to give food to the family pet.
Little kids like to do what big people do, so use their natural enthusiasm to encourage them to pitch in. Be okay with imperfection. Avoid assigning a chore and then micromanaging every step of the task. Work side by side with your child. You'll be more successful by showing your kids that it's a family effort. And be sure to recognize their hard work and thank them for their efforts. Chores aren't always fun, but they are an important building block in helping ensure that as your children grow up, they are building skills that they'll need when they're living on their own.
But I think chores should be a daily thing because all of us have things that we have to do every day, and we may not love all of them, but we do them and we get through them. It's just something we do.
Some parents offer their kids an allowance for chores. Some choose to use other types of reward systems. To learn more, head to eugenepeds.com/healthykids. I'm Kelly Warner.